In this video, we are building a classic size happy planner, which is also known as a Franken-planner when you use two or more planners all in one. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. And in this video, we are building a Franken-planner with 6 classic size happy planners, starting with this one, which is the Empowered Woman planner, and a snap-in cover, 1 day at a time horizontal planner, socialite color block planner, vintage Botanicals monthly planner, Agate classic vertical planner, and color splash dashboard planner. Step 1 is to take your snap-in cover, attach your metal discs, then you'll build in your planner. Next, we will add in our planner cover. And for November, I'm using the Empowered Woman planner cover and the Empowered Woman month of November as my main planner. And this will be the first time I have used the vertical lined layout as my main planner. And this will be my test for that layout, so I can decide if Glam Girl will be my main planner for 2020, which it will if I can work with that layout. And then if not, then I'm gonna have to find another solution. I'll have to switch some things around. Okay, here's November from Empowered Woman. That's my main planner. Next will be Socialite for the month of November, and that is social media. Next is Vintage Botanicals, and that is going to be a budget planner. I love that pattern, it's so pretty. Okay, then next will be Color Splash. And Color Splash I've been using as my fitness and wellness planner. I'm trying it out as that. I'm trying out the dashboard layout as a fitness planner. November from the Agate planner. One day at a time horizontal planner for journaling. Okay, let's add in some sticky notes. Here's a pack of the snap-in sticky notes. I'm saving my Glam Girl, I'm saving my wrong. So let's punch in some other sticky notes just so I have some in the front. I definitely use those a lot. So let's talk about when I use each of these planners and how. Because if you're new to planning and you're seeing someone using 6 different planners, that sounds crazy. How do you do that? Well, here's how. This is my daily schedule. I decorate once a week on Sunday. This is usually the planner that is my Plan With Me video. So I decorate Sunday, I plan in it on Monday, and then I write my notes in every day. Different times a day, everything usually by the end of the night, if not the very next morning. So this one is kind of where I live. I live in this planner, my main planner, whichever planner it is for the month. Social media, I look at this every morning, early in the morning. That's when I work on editing videos and posting videos, and all of that stuff is early in the morning. And then occasionally some evening things. And then I film on Sundays. So all of the notes for that go in this planner. I also decorate this if I have time. I will film a Plan With Me decorating this planner as well. If I don't have time, I decorate throughout the week, sometimes before the week, sometimes during the week. Sometimes I'm doing a stickers after the pen in this planner. So this is where I plan out the videos that I'll be posting on the monthly overview, and that's how I use that planner. Let's move on to the budget planner. My ideal goal for the budget planner is to write in these expenses on the expense tracker every day. I use this front part here for paying bills once a month on the 1st. You can watch this video to learn a little bit more about how I set up the budget planners. Next, this one I've just started using the dashboard layout as a fitness and wellness planner. Recently, I did an inspiration page on this side and I absolutely love that. So I've done that a couple more times just for fun. I just enjoy it. I write notes like quotes and things just about health and wellness in there, just like inspiration. This page I only use when I do a workout or if I'm tracking something like things that I'm eating or any medication or doctor visits, any kind of health, wellness, and fitness I track here. But mostly if I do a workout, I put a sticker in here, I write it in, and then I put a little, let me show you that. So here's this page in one of my October weeks. I just put in a sticker, I write in my workout, and then on the monthly, I just put little stickers on all the days that I do a workout. Next, this one is the gratitude planner. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy every morning. Write 3 things to be grateful for. It literally takes however long it takes to write that in. 15 seconds a day. So that one's easy and enjoyable. And then this one is journaling. I also try to get this done early in the morning, and sometimes I don't get it done then, and so I do it last thing at night. And all I do is journal anything that comes to mind. So that's also easy because there's no rules. That's it. That's how I use my planner. If you have any questions whatsoever about setting up the Franken-planner or using multiple planners, leave a comment down below and I will do my best to answer all your questions. Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.